Reliable wiring solutions you can trust. Precision speed quality. Backed by 2 decades of experience. We provide custom cable solutions for automotive applications. Medical devices. Aerospace systems. Consumer electronics. And more. Our advantages: industry certifications. ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485. Quick delivery times. Helping you stay ahead. Cutting edge capabilities. Fine pitch connectors. Precision molded components. Expect dependable performance. Get in touch now. Reliable wiring solutions you can trust. Precision speed quality. Backed by 2 decades of experience. We provide custom cable solutions for automotive applications. Medical